Equal opportunity to all, inclusion in education. My journey and transformation regarding inclusion in education began in 2002 with Aruna, a paraplegic 10-year-old. In those days, when special students required to be in special schools, she sought admission in my school. Speechless with her enthusiasm, I admitted her. She was with us for 13 years, from 5th standard to MSc IT, and each day we learned so much from her struggles and successes. Today she is preparing for UPSC exams. We started an electronic wheelchair project with the help of ACI NGO of Dr. Girish Trivedi. One by one, people joined us. We have given some 19 electronic wheelchairs, 10 basketball wheelchairs, and few ordinary wheelchairs donated by many donors with ACI. Our school has seen students with spinal nerve compression, muscular dystrophy, muscular degeneration, and specific learning disabilities. Having these students in a crowded school with 70 to 80 students in each class has been a great learning for all of us on compassion and gratitude. Including them in regular school activities like sports, annual days, competitions, motivating them and not judging them for their capabilities helped many to overcome their challenges. Students with intellectual disabilities, I would like to mention Dr. Mihir and Pooja Parekh, who run Urja Special School for such students, and they have always come forward to help these students in counseling and training to make them independent and to bring about academic improvement. We started Swayam project that works towards bringing positive change in hyperactive students through music, dance, dramatics and sports. Master Bhatia Shah in 2020, a totally blind student, has secured 93% marks in his HSC exam and now studying in Stanford University. This is a typical classroom at SVPV Vidyalaya. We give it a try. We try to overlook the challenges, take help from the generous people from the society, and carry on. It's impossible, said pride. It's risky, said experience. It's pointless, said reason. Give it a try, whispered the heart. The SVPV Vidyalaya and Shri T.P. Bhatia College of Science of Kandivali Education Society.